Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to change your gender of AI in Snapchat. Firstly, tap open Snapchat, then you will be in a page something like this. So you can see a chat icon, then you have to tap on that. After tapping, you'll be on your chat list, and in this chat list you can see My AI. You have to tap on the picture besides of My AI and you'll be in a page where you can customize your AI. Then you can see the three dotted icon in the right upper corner of this page. You have to tap on that. After tapping, a menu will pop up and you have to tap on avatar settings. After tapping, you'll be in a page something like this. In Snapchat, you cannot change the gender, but you can instead change the avatar. So after tapping on the avatar you like, you'll be in a page something like this. You can change the skin tone, you can change the hair, and basically you can customize the way you want. Finally, after customizing, you have to tap on save and your AI will be saved. Go back to your profile and you'll be able to see your new AI avatar. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.